This Italian Stromboli is so delicious and so easy to make. It's perfect for a weeknight dinner or a game day snack. Here's how to make it. Roll out a pizza crust onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Then brush on a half a cup of your favorite pizza sauce. If you can find this Mids brand, I highly recommend it. Make sure to leave a little space at the edges. Put on a layer of sliced deli ham, a cup of freshly grated mozzarella, a layer of salami and another cup of cheese, and a layer of pepperoni followed by one more cup of cheese. Then sprinkle on some Italian seasoning. Now you're going to carefully roll it up, and it's easier if you use the paper to help you. When you get to the other side, just pull that end up and fold it over. Make sure to pinch all the seams together. Then flip it over so that the seam is face side down. Brush on a tablespoon of some melted butter and sprinkle with some garlic powder and some parsley. Cut a few slits in the top and bake it at 400 for about 20 minutes or until the crust is crispy and golden. Let it cool for about 5 minutes, then slice it up and serve it with some more pizza sauce for dipping. And that's all there is to it.